everyone, welcome to WinPIPE. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use WinPIPE to build a model using B31.3 Appendix S S301 as our example. There are many ways to build a model, and in this case we will use copy and paste to build a model from another job. Let's start WinPIPE. Open B31.3 S302, which we have already created. Put them side by side. Copy a section from S302 to the new job. Close the old job and focus on the new job. Let's go to Menu Spreadsheet, pause over Spreadsheet for Piping Element and select Restraint. As you can see from the spreadsheet, restraints are at nodes 10 and 30, so add an anchor to node 70. Let's check Properties. Go to the first element. Go to Geometry tab. Notice the allowance is already copied here. Go to Material tab. Pipe material, fluid, and insulation are here too. Go to Menu Data Screen and select Settings and Parameters. Set a few parameters in this dialog box. We are now done with the pipe layout modeling. Before we leave, let's save the job as B31.3 S301.